Here's your daily updates. Newsman Dennis Daly offers his take on the events of the day in another daily video blog.
Hi, and thanks again, everybody. We're on a ragged piece of pavement in Quartzsite, Arizona. This is another one of those spots that used to be a horribly busy highway, but now I-10 is over there, and US 60 no longer exists here. But you know, with a name like Quartzsite, this place has to have a story. And that story is one of timing. If you pass through Quartzsite in the summer, you won't see much at this sleepy crossroads. Just people making a pit stop now and then, and guys like myself shooting photos. But in the winter, this little town comes alive. Thousands bring their RVs here to camp out, sometimes in primitive conditions. And the reason? Well, since the 1960s, Quartzsite has become the rockhound capital of America. This place is a beehive of vendors and people in January and February. According to the publication The Desert USA, 8 major gem and mineral shows, as well as vendors of raw and handcrafted merchandise, peddle their wares here to tens of thousands who flock here each winter. By the way, Quartzsite made national news for another reason some time ago. The mayor, and this city does have a mayor, declared martial law after a woman named Jennifer started a crusade in this town of 3,600, protesting local corruption and secret government meetings. She was later arrested. Since then, the city's been on pins and needles. So you see, the story of Quartzsite doesn't have much to do with quartz. Another ore called quartzite, though, was found in some quantities here, and other minerals were mined here over the years. So names can be deceiving, but sometimes they're downright interesting, such as the name for this place, Quartzsite, Arizona. I'm Dennis Daly with your daily news update.